Hello, it's me, Tidwell. Um, okay, so I have something serious to talk to you about. This is Tidwell story time. So, when I was younger, I had this job and I was a little bit late. And so I mean, it was something that needed to be done. Like, I can't remember if it was like, parking or, something important. Okay. And so I come into work and I'm like, hey, like, I'm really sorry I'm late. My bad. And my boss goes, oh, you're sorry? And he goes, yeah, I bet you're sorry because you don't work here anymore. Okay. And so the reason I'm telling you guys this story is because I want to emphasize how important it is to be on time and to be punctual. And luckily, at this point in your life, those are still skills that you're learning and practicing, which is great news for you because if we have late work, we literally just talked about all the opportunities that you have to get that stuff done and still get like credit for it. Okay. We're not going to be like, nope, you failed. Okay. Well, we are trying to give you guys every single opportunity for success humanly possible, but it's up to you to take that seriously and to utilize it to the best of your ability. You got this. Love you.